This LOS is explain how decisions by consumers, firms, and governments affect the balance of payments. The balance of payments. Decisions by consumers, firms, and governments influence the balance of payments. Low private savings and/or high investment tend to produce a current account deficit that must be financed by net capital imports, high private savings, and/or low investment. However, produce a current account surplus balanced by net capital exports. All else the same, a government deficit produces a current account deficit, and a government surplus leads to a current account surplus. All else the same, a sustained current account deficit contributes to a rise in the risk premium for financial assets of the deficit country. Current account surplus countries tend to enjoy lower risk premiums than current account deficit countries. So we'll do two quick practice questions to finish this LOS. Which of the following most likely contributes to a current account deficit? A, high taxes, B, low private savings, or C, low private investment? And the correct answer is B. A current account deficit tends to result from low private savings, high private investment, a government deficit, or a combination of the three. Of the choices, only low private savings contributes toward a current account deficit. And one last practice question to finish this LOS. Which of the following chronic deficit conditions is least alarming to the deficit country's creditors? A, high consumption, B, high private investment, or C, high government spending? B is correct. A current account deficit tends to result from low private savings, high private investment, low government savings, or a combination of three. Of these choices, only high investments can increase productive resources and improve the future ability to repay creditors. So which of the following chronic deficit conditions is least alarming? The least alarming is the high private investment, because high private investment can increase the productive resources and that will improve the future ability. High consumption, no, you're consuming. High government spending, it depends what they're spending on, okay? And that's the last slide for this LOS. Thank you.